how close can you get to sin before it counts? The Prophet ﷺ already warned us. He said, He said, the one who grazes his flock and his sheep near a king's sanctuary will soon end up inside it. And every king has a sanctuary. The sanctuary of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is His prohibitions. This means the closer we come to the prohibitions of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the easier it becomes for us to fall into it and slip into it. So playing with the boundaries of haram will eventually lead you inside it, just like the shepherd's sheep crossing the fence. So dear brothers and sisters, don't see how near you can get to the red line of haram. See how far you can stay away from it. Because taqwa comes through distancing, not through daring.